Namaste, my dear children. Over you all. I hope you are all fine. Yes, and be at home and stay safety, children. Always wash your hands. Have a healthy food and stay healthy. Drink plenty of water so that it will helpful for your body to keep active. Okay, and then are you all missing the school? Yes, of course we are missing our schools and the times where we spent much and with the fun loads. Yes, we miss the ground, we miss the school studies, teachers, mentors, and then the assemblies and classrooms and the friends, funds, everything we are missing. Yes, right. So we pray to God that everything has to be uh, finish it fast and it has to be solved very soon. Okay, children, as I'm going to take today ICT subject. Okay, ma. So we'll see what is the concept today we are going to focus it on. Okay, children. Children, this slide tells you that we will start always with the motivational quote. Okay, that makes your mind fresh and healthy. Okay, so today's quote is: if the mind is intensely eager, everything can be accomplished. Mountains can be crumbled into atoms. Said by Swami Vivekananda. Children, if your mind is very eager to know about everything, then you are accomplished. Okay, you are very well known about the subjects, then you are accomplished. Okay, you are complete man. So if it happens, even the mountains can be crumbled into the atoms. It means that even the mountains can be break or broken into the smaller particles. So that much power it has. Okay, so if you have the dedication and the eager to work on the studies, so you can achieve your goals, children. So it is in your hand to achieve your goal. Okay, children, now shall we start or enter into the concept? Okay, ma. My dear children, the next slide tells you that learning outcomes. It means by the end of this session, you will come to know about social networking pros and cons of SNS, SNS for education, smart and aware rule. Okay, ma? Children, before going into the concept, we will have a very big question running on our mind, that how the communication and the information passes before the invention of the computer. Yes, yes, right. So the information done through radio, newspapers, television, and the communication as done through the letters and the telephones, and it is still following. Yes, right. Children, after the invention of the computers, the internet websites were passive. You will have the doubt, what do you mean by passive? Yes, I'll explain here. It means the user only receives the information. Here I'll give a small example. Take it a radio. So in olden days, we all hear the radio. Only we can hear the music or the information from the radio. You cannot respond it. So that is the example for the passive. Okay, only you can receive the information, children. Okay, ma. But the next development was social networking site in the internet website. So after the invention of the social networking site, the site becomes active. It means you will have the doubt what it is. Yes, active means you can respond for the receiving information. Okay, again I'll take a example, a radio. Okay, so here nowadays if you listen the radio, what is happening? You can call or you can communicate with the people uh, who is anchoring the station, radio station, and telecasting. Yes, So here you can respond for the information. Okay, children, the next slide tells you that we have come to the concept. Okay, so the concept name is social networking site. So from the topic you can divide the words and understand the meaning, children. So we'll take a social relates to the society or the public. Networking means it's joining two or many people is called the networking. Site is a place to meet. Okay, so now you join the words. Now you can understand what is SNS. It does only with the help of the internet. Okay, so that is all together a crowd or the public or the society who can together joined in a particular site is called the social networking site. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Okay, children, so that is what you are given. Children, this slide tells you that why do SNS become popular? Do you know why all age peoples are using the FB, that is Facebook? Any idea? Guess? Yes? Yes. For the adults, many friends they would have. Yes? They can make new friends, or if they lost the friends, they can find out and can be in touch. Yes? And it is very easy to use also, and it has some basic features like profile creation, content uploading, and the sharing. Okay, just imagine that Facebook. So if you come to combine and see this SNS and the Facebook, you will have a clear idea, children. Okay, when I say Facebook, you will come to the clear idea of SNS, right? Yes. So you will go to the imagination now. Don't go, come to the concept here, children. Okay, so this is the relation of the SNS became popular nowadays. Okay, and children, this screen tells you the social networking website and its basic features. Okay, such as profile, security, networking features, search. Okay, so it should have all these content. Okay, so profile is used to create an account of the user, and security, you need a security when you step into the internet. And then networking features, yes, chat rooms are there, instant messages, mobile versions. So chat rooms in the sense immediately you can chat, for example WhatsApp. Okay, immediately it is reaching the place. And then instant messaging in the sense short way of messaging, which is already built in that social networking site, or else you can take a mobile where you will have the instant messages. So I'll call you later. uh, if the ring comes, you can just tap the message, instant message, just I will call you later, I am busy. Yes, that is what instant messages. And mobile versions, the website is also available in the mobile versions. Okay, and then you can upload the music, videos, commercial purpose, and games, events, books. So these are the facilities you can have it in the networking site. Okay, and then comes the search. You can search for the particular email or the frequently asked questions, you can refer it for your doubts. And the forum is a place where you can communicate for a particular issues. Okay, or for a particular information, that is called the forum. Okay, children, and this slide tells you that what is the pros and cons. Pros is for supporting and cons is for against. Okay, children, the first point is instant communication. It means the flow of information from any place we can view it. Yes, we can watch it. That is what is called instant communication. So if it is happens in America, in a seconds we can view it what has happened there. So that is called instant communication. And then comes the collaboration. Of course, if you come to the networking site, it is a collaboration of the people. Okay, that makes the team. And networking with the people means it allows the users to have to the network to have a relationship and the communication between the friends and the families. Okay, irrespective of the geographical location, in the sense we are not going to their place and we are not having the communications or the conversation. That is what it is mentioned here in the third point, children. Making new friends. Okay, so how it happens, in the sense I'll give a small example. You are having the Facebook account, right? In that you will be having a number of friends, n number of friends. So in that friend, one particular friend will have a friend of another friend. Okay, so that people sees you and they will give you request to have a friendship with you. So what happens, immediately you will see, oh, he is a friend of mine, so why can't I accept him? So in the same manner, if likewise everyone will started to have a new friendship with the help of the networking site, children. Next comes the addictive. Yes, once if you get into the networking site, social networking site, you will always not able to come out of it. That is called the addictive. You have to spend you will be spending more time. Okay, that is not a just like that you cannot go into it and you cannot come back it. Okay, it's make you to sit on that place. That is the addictive meaning. And lack of face to face social skill. Yes, because everything is having the communication on the network, we are losing our face to face relationship meetings. Okay, and comes the security, which is a major thing in social networking site, which has a more problems because of using the internet, social media networking site, like forging and bullying, abusing and duping of individuals. In the sense, the people will started to tease you and they can what abuse you, and they can cheat you by duping by the others. Okay, children. The next is lack of content monitoring. It means that if the young adult is going for searching for some other purpose, if it some inappropriate content occurs and it disturbs, then it harms them. Then it is the what a problem. The next comes the creative expression, in the sense you whatever you are having your ideas and the creativeness, just you are going to share it in your website. That is called creative expression. And then comes the educational discussion platform, where the SNS is more powerful tool which we are using now for the online education, that connects the teachers and the students, right? For example, Zoom, Google. So the next point is access to information, which the user can create and also publish it, and also anyone can easily access the particular information. Okay, and then comes the online marketing for business, where the companies not only using the SNS for awareness, they are hiring the personnel and new launches also promoting and for also services. Okay, children. And children comes the so SNS and education. So SNS is a powerful medium in education, because nowadays we are using that only. This particular period is very a good example for the SNS, children. And then it has a more number of SNS, like I said, Google Meet, Next Gurukul, and Classroom 2.0. These are all the things. Okay, where you can exchange your ideas and share the content by using the sign up property. And then it has a settings, three settings: access, privacy, public is used for anyone can access your data, and then privacy for particular people, and access whom you have to select. Children, next slide comes the internet safety rules. It means that how safetyness you are following when you are using the internet. That is very good apt word, smart, which also suits for the safety rules. Okay, and you have to stay. So children, stay safe, because don't share your personal informations and the places, and don't meet the person whom is not known for you, only you have a touch in online. And don't accept the mails or the pictures or the files without knowing the person, and then you should be reliable what you are, because you should have the opinion about the sites and the person. Tell someone if something makes you feel or worry or uncomfortable, children. Okay, ma? And the continuation of the internet safety rules is plus, children. So be polite and be cautious of what you're posting about others, and think before you are connecting to the people as a friend, and then be responsible, because you are having the opinion of the site or the
children,
person,
this
and
slide
share
tells you
selectively
that
the persons,
so
children.
far
Okay.
in this video we have discussed these points, that is what is social networking site, and what are the basic features it needed, and what is the pros and cons of the SNS, and what are the social networking sites on education, internet safety rules, smart and plus. Okay, children. Children, please go through the video twice or thrice so that you can able to understand the concept in a better way. And once if you understood the concept, please proceed your words in explaining the terms, in the sense in your own way, in your own words you can just explain it, what are the things you have concentrated and understood, that apply it in your own words, so that it tells you that you are developed your communication and also the concept understanding. Okay, children. So I hope everyone would have understood the concept. So we'll meet in the next session, children. Thank you. Namaste. Take care, ma.